Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a new channel in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations with people. From here in the bottom right corner there is this little pen icon. We have to tap on that. And then at the top we have a few options. We have to select a new channel from the bottom. And here it opens up this little introductory message with the cute duck. But if we just tap on next, we get this option. Here we can name the channel, add a description, and also add a photo for its cover. And after we are done with everything, we just tap on the OK sign in the top right corner. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.